Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a convenience store and you're looking for an affordable, professional way to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your convenience store. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. They can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, convenience store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's start a few basic details about our convenience store so it can literally generate a website for us with the information that we are putting in at the moment. Put in your city and your state or region as well. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic, and there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a close look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're very professional looking. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone or anything like that. And they are completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites of the various products you have in your convenience store. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that we've pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all those products or services, and you just want to give it a little bit more personalized touch to your website, more details about your convenience store. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. Certainly, you don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top and get started. I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And our address, physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Awesome. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, if you have a business logo, go ahead and upload it here. Once it's been uploaded, click on that pencil directly over it if you want to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. No color coding at all. Now for each section you'd like to add a personalized touch to make it a little bit more suitable for your business, click on update section directly underneath the section. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free. Otherwise, connect your Instagram accounts, automatically pull in those photos if you have a profile. And update action, we can change those call to action buttons. Text on the buttons as where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file or link to another website. Just pop the URL in over there. And the last section over here at the bottom is where we can put in our trading hours, opening hours for our convenience store. Head on over to update hours, put them in the various days. Maybe you're open 7 days a week or not. Pop them in over here. Once you click on save your hours, the page will automatically reload after saving to display your trading opening hours over here in the last section for your customers' convenience. If you have a custom domain, you can click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.